Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Can any of you tell me what that is? Well, let's do this. Let's fill it in with black. Well, we have to just take the whole thing and fill it in with black. It is a line art picture. Somebody sent me this picture and asked, how would you do that? And I emailed them back, said, I don't know how to do that. But I did remember a website that I went to, SpiralBetty.com, where about 2 years ago, I made a picture of this same young lady, which is my granddaughter, into a spiral. Well, if you go to, so here's the same picture in a spiral. I guess I didn't look about this. Lines or dots. Dots, I'm not going to say are that cool, but the lines. So then all you do is just download that picture as an SVG file, import it back into Corel, and that's what it looks like. Now, my thinking would be to, if this was on, if you painted these other lines black, but how would you paint these individual lines after you cut it out? So we're going to left click, right click. So now we have hairlines. Well, we will when we change them to hairline. And you could cut this out. But let's go up here to object, break it apart. Go to object. There are 149 lines that you'd have to paint individually and put back. Well, let's try this. Let's take a rectangle. And let's take them all and just weld them. There you have individual, not individual anymore, it's one piece of black artwork. Now, if you would take this and let's move this out of the way. If you hit P, put it in the center of the page. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it, well, we need to make, well, we made this a little bit different. So let's lock the ratio and make it 12 inches. So now take a rectangle and draw a rectangle around it. Hold down your button to get it square. Let's make it we made the other one 12. Let's make this one 13. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. And if you painted, so when you cut this out, now this is going to take a little time. We're going to make it in blue. If you cut this out, that's what you're going to get. And then this could come out and you could paint this white and then take, it's going to look the same when we do it in black on the other with a white background, but you would have a frame to hold it together. It's going to take just a second because it's having to fill in all these lines. So that's what it's going to look like. Let's take away the outline, or maybe it won't let us take away the outline. Oh, we smart filled it, so we can. That's what it's going to look like. But if you had a, white wood and black wood, now it is a little bit rough. So I don't really know how it's going to cut out very good. But I'm going to give it a shot and I'll update you when it happens. So I will put a link to SpiralBetty.com and I will put a link to the very first video where I did the spiral. And I actually have my picture of the finished product. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.